This video tutorial I will explain what is file management and how to organize files and folders. File management means keeping your documents, pictures, videos and other files organized on your computer. It helps you to find files quickly, avoid clutter and keep your work safe. How to use folders to stay organized? First, you have to create folders to group similar files together. For example, make folders like work, school, photos, or music. Inside those folders, you can create more folders like 2024 projects or vacation photos, etc. You have to name the files clearly. Use clear and simple names for your files. Here you can see the example. This makes it easier to know what the file is without opening the file. You have to use dates in the file names. Add dates to your file names for easy sorting. Here you can see the example. This helps you to keep track of the latest version. How to keep your system clean? First point is delete unused files. Remove old or unnecessary files often. This frees up space and keeps things tidy. Don't forget to empty the trash or recycle bin. Second point is do not use desktop only for temporary files. Don't store everything on your desktop. It can become messy and slow down your computer. Move files to the right folders after the use. How to protect your files? First point is backup your files. Save copy of your important files to an external hard drive or cloud storage like Google Drive, iCloud or OneDrive. This protects your work if something goes wrong. Second point is search when you need to. Use the search bar on your computer to find files by name or type. This is helpful if you forget where you saved something. You can use file types to identify files. For example, Word documents ends with .docx. Images ends with .jpg or .png. Video files ends with .mp4. Read-only documents ends with .pdf. This helps you to know what kind of file you are opening. You can pin important folders you use a lot, so you don't have to search for them every time. Most systems let you do this in File Explorer in case of Windows or Finder in case of Mac OS. You have to spend few minutes every week organizing your files. Keep folders clean and update file names as needed. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Here you can see the example of folder. Inside that you can see the subfolders, and inside that it has files and subfolders. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.